Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2022 Bowman Sapphire Baseball. 5-box break number 8, random teams. Here we go. We will randomize 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Rob W. down to Jacob C. And 7 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Royals down to Rays. All right, so we have Rob W. Royals, Jason G. Braves, Todd D. Rangers, Jason G. Reds, Tony K. Giants, Casey D. Yankees, Todd D. Guardians Rockies, Troy H. Padres, Todd D. Cubs, Joe S. Orioles, Brock J. Cardinals, Chuck S. Angels, Rob W. Astros Dodgers, Rory B. Nationals, Kyle S. Marlins Phillies, Edward P. A's, Chuck S. Tigers, Brock J. Twins, Trevor F. Blue Jays White Sox, Rob W. Mariners, Anthony P. Pirates, Rob W. Red Sox D-backs, Michael W. Brewers, Rob W. Mets, and Jacob C. Rays. All right, let me get these results posted. We'll get this started. All right, results are up on the website. There's a link to the results. We're down to 2 now. 2 to go in that Bowman mixer. Here's a link to the break schedule. You can find the mixer at the 10:40 a.m. Eastern time slot. The link's just too big to share in the chat. There's Owen Murphy, Raindon Cone, and Joshua Baez had his yellow Sapphire to 99 Cardinals. Kyle Manzardo. We'll do a recap at the end with all the numbered parallels. Ezekiel Tovar and Tigers. That's green Sapphire to 50, Jackson Jobe. So Jonathan Classe and Curtis Mead. Alan Cerda, Gabriel Hughes, Kobe Mayo, and Luis Mesa. Michael Kennedy, Denzer Guzman, Henry Davis, and Shalen Polanco. Jonathan Mejia, Harry Ford, Trevor Martin, and Adam Mazur. Mason Barnett, Ryan Ritter, Blake Burkhalter, and Sean McLean. Bryce Hubbard, Nick Biddison, Benny Montgomery, and Jordan Sprinkle. Dylan Ray, Ivan Melendez, Luis Angel Acuna, and Elijah Green. Nice pack. All right. Take a quick look at our spots. We have our 4-box mixer is sold out. We're down to 8 in each of our Bowman's Best full case pick your team style breaks. Ooh, I see purple. Jacob Misiorowski. And, ooh, is that? Nice. That is Mariners. Purple Sapphire. 7 of 10. Cole Young. Awesome hit for the Mariners. That is Rob W. Congrats, Rob. We'll mag this one for you. Awesome, Cole Young. There's Yeti Cape and Kevin Parada. Trey Sweeney, Yesam Robel, and Padres. That is Orange Sapphire to 25. Samuel Zavala. Nice one, San Diego. Sal Stewart. Christopher Pasiola. William Bergoya, J.R. Ritchie, and Zach Veen. Termarr Johnson. Good box here. Kenzie Noel, Dalton Rushing, and Danier Cueva. Jace Young, George Valera, Justin Boyd, and Danny DeAndrade. Yeah, I was hoping we'd be able to top that green Mikey Romero from the previous break. I think that did it pretty easily. It's Landon Sims, Eric Hernandez, Felix Valerio, and Yordani De Los Santos. Caden Wallace, Dustin Harris, Everson Arteaga, and Brenner Cox. Mason Wynn, Ryan Acuna, Colson Montgomery, and Leonardo Valcazar. Ooh, what do we have here? Jason Churio, Joe Lamp. And that is Aqua Sapphire to 20, Matt McLean, Reds. Jacob Miller. Chase Middleton. And Rays. That's Yellow Sapphire to 99, Willie Vasquez. Dominic Keegan and Nate Savino. Michael Knorr, Daniel Vasquez, Kumar Rocker, and Cesar Prieto. Drew Thorpe, James Wood, Dylan Lesko, and Colton Cowser. Hayden Dunhurst, Nazir Mule, Dylan Beavers, and Victor Acosta. We have Braves, Orioles, Cubs, Reds, Astros, Dodgers, Marlins, and Brewers. A couple big teams still left in our first Bowman's Best. 8 to go in that case number 19. Hold on a second. All right. It's like Jacoby Myers to the Raiders. There's Anthony Hall, Walter Ford, Jordan Beck, and Arl Vera. Chandler Simpson, Roderick Arias, Judd Fabian, and Carson Williams. Justin Campbell, Robert Hassel, Sonny DiChiara, and Carson Milbrandt. Yanquiel Fernandez, Tanner Scoble, and this is Padres. First Bowman, Gold Sapphire to 15, Lamar King Jr. Goes San Diego, William Kempner. Jay Allen. And Red Sox, that's Sedani Rafaela, Yellow Sapphire. It's to 99. Kenya Huggins and Peyton Paulette. Willie Vasquez, Jordan Walker, Henry Williams, and Jake Bennett. Alex McFarland, Sedani Rafaela, Yasser Mercedes, and Ignacio Alvarez. Simon Wan, Hunter Barco, Oscar Colas, and Nate Furman. Lamar King, Juan Ben Cho, Henry Mendez, and Clark Elliott. Anthony Volpe, Ryan Cermak, Marcelo Meyer, and Gavin Cross. From the Royals. There's Blaze Jordan, Robbie Snelling, Steven Zobak, and Chase DeLauder, Guardians. There's Ellie De La Cruz, Noah Schultz, and Dodgers. That's green sapphire to 50, Jose Ramos. Samuel Munoz. Jackson Holiday. Nice and Orioles. And Guardians. Yellow sapphire to 99, Parker Messick. Gabriel Rincones and Jared McKenzie. Edinson Paulino, Pedro Pineda, Cole Phillips, and Alex DeJesus. Cutter Coffee, Brandon Barrera, Brady House, and Pete Hansen. Trey Lipscomb, Ricardo Cabrera, Jackson Cox, and Emmanuel Rodriguez. Alex Freeland, Ryan Reckley, Andrew Pintar, and Carson Palmquist. Down to 7 now on our first Bowman's Best. Still have the Orioles and Brewers on the board. Reds also. It's James Triantos, Austin Hendrick, Cooper Jerpy, and Christian Hernandez. Morning, JC. How's it going? Tristan Breiling, Drew Baker, Zach Nito, and Samuel Zavala. All right. Do a recap. We had yellow sapphire to 99. Guardians, Parker Messick. Red Sox, Adani Rafaela. Rays, Willie Vasquez. Cardinals, Joshua Baez. And then green sapphire to 50. Tigers, Jackson Jobe. And Dodgers, Jose Ramos. Orange sapphire to 25. That's Padres, Samuel Zavala. Aqua sapphire to 20. Reds, Matt McClain. Gold sapphire to 15. That's Padres, Lamar King. And Mariners, purple sapphire to 10, Cole Young. That does it for the break. Thank you, everybody. We have a 4-box Bowman mixer coming up.